Hello everyone, I am Amy, your new conversational English teacher. Welcome to your first lesson. Today, we will learn 3 important things: greetings, introductions, and farewells. Let's start with greetings. Repeat after me. Hello. Hello. Very good. A more casual way to say hello is hi. Repeat. Hi. Hi. Excellent. In the morning, we say good morning. Repeat after me. Good morning. Good morning. Well done. In the afternoon, we say good afternoon. Repeat. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Perfect. In the evening, we say good evening. Try it. Good evening. Good evening. Very good. Now, let's learn how to introduce yourself. This is very important. To say your name, say I am, and then your name. I am Annalene. Now you try with your name. I am. Good. You can also say, my name is. Repeat. My name is. My name is Annalene. Your turn. My name is. Nice. When you meet someone, say, nice to meet you. Repeat. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. I did. To ask someone how they are, say, how are you? Repeat, how are you? How are you? Perfect. You can answer, I am fine, thank you. Repeat, I am fine, thank you. I am fine, thank you. Wonderful. When you leave, say goodbye. Repeat after me. Goodbye. Goodbye. Good. I am Amy, your new English teacher, and I'll see you in our next lesson. Goodbye, and have a lovely day.